Hi everyone, Dan for BBC Learning English here with a quick explanation of the difference between remember and remind. Now, both remember and remind are verbs of memory, but they are not the same. Remember is about having a memory and has two verb patterns. Number one, remember plus verb ing is used when you remember something from the past. For example, I remember saying, "Hi everyone." Hi everyone, Dan. See? Number two, remember plus full infinitive is used when something is to be done in the future. For example, I must remember to do my shopping later. However, remind means make someone remember. Its verb pattern is remind plus somebody plus a full infinitive verb. For example, you must remind me to do my shopping later. Something can also remind someone of something. For example, this cup reminds me of my other cup.
You've just been watching a video from BBC Learning English. Really hope you liked it. If you did, why not subscribe so you see all the videos that we release? If you want to see more of what we've got, just click on the link down here. You see all the videos we've got. They're great. Click. Go on.